Hi guys, I'm underneath the truck. I just got the drive shaft in. It's really close to the exhaust. I'm probably gonna have to push that exhaust over for now. We'll end up ordering probably new exhaust after we get it running and moving. But yeah, we got, let me see here if I can get this camera to flip around. I cannot get it to flip around. So we'll just look at it like this. Rocker, we've got some decent damage pushed in here. I'm gonna grab a port of power. We'll try and push some of that out. At least hopefully get the doors to somewhat seal. This is the exhaust bent up. It's really close here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but really close to the drive shaft. This cross member is bent down. Looks like it's just a skid plate basically. We'll get that fuel heater, I believe that is. We got a little bit of bending on that cross member for the transmission, but we'll might straighten it out or just leave it. This isn't going to be a show truck. This is the other side. The step bars, that one's got bent up during transit. Fuel tank brackets are bent. We'll end up pulling the fuel tank down anyways to straighten the frame out. We got some right here. There's a bend in the frame, a little twist. I think it'll come out. We might have to change that spring perch. The rear, we're gonna end up changing, pull the U-bolts. We'll change all that out. Obviously the shock, we gotta change that, we'll change both shocks, redo all that. Front, we got the front axle on the passenger side or driver's side here is broken. We'll change that. Change out the whole axle. We got some harnesses here that are disconnected, ripped off, whatever. I'm not too worried about this leak yet. We'll get it running, driving, see how it is, and if we end up having to tear into it further, we'll might have to pull a transmission or something, but I'm not real worried about it. Again, we got a little bit of a leak back here. Transmission pan. We might end up doing some more stuff on this truck after we get it going on the road. Crawl out here. So the door here, this pillar doesn't seem to be, I mean, it's twisted a little bit, but it's not kinked anywhere. We're gonna try and push out the lower rocker, and hopefully we can get most of this to just push out. I'm replacing the outer rocker here, cab corner, obviously. We'll end up pulling the box off. We got some scuffing on the back side of the cab from previous owner. Anyways, we got to fix. Looks like he had must have been a toolbox or something that slid forward and was rubbing. Here's that spring perch. It's got a little bit of a kink right here, so we might end up pulling that off and redoing it, but we'll see if it straightens out. Hopefully it'll straighten out, we won't have to do it. Some damage in the wheel liner. Looks like the tire rubbed the top of the wheel well. It's pretty impressive actually. So we'll see you on the next.
Okay, today we're gonna tear into this transmission a little bit and inspect it. That's that crack we got going on. It's dripping a little bit of oil. So we're gonna pull the pan off, see if we can repair that transmission. If not, we're gonna have to find a new one. In the meantime, we did push out this rocker panel a little bit. We got it, I don't know, a little bit straighter, but we're not 100% here. I gotta order the panels, order an inner rocker panel, and then we're gonna order outer rocker panels and cab corner. We're not gonna order the pillar as of yet. We're gonna see how this one straightens. It looks pretty straight already. You can see we got the cab corner pushed out quite a bit. Doors still don't line up quite right, but yeah, that pillar, it looks pretty good. There's a couple of bends in the bottom here, right down in there, but we're gonna try and straighten that out, match the rocker itself that we order. Again, a little bit bend right there. We can order a lower dog leg of the pillar. We can't order a complete pillar. If we need a complete pillar, we gotta find a wrecked vehicle, cut it off. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna pull this pan down and we will go from there. Okay, we got the pan down. It's still dripping a little bit, but spilled a little bit here. But we couldn't have got any more lucky with how it broke. No real structure got damaged. Looks like the valve body is fine, untouched. Here is the broken piece.